All right, Andrea Hernandez back again with more technology. This is piece number 2 for AEP 800. And the second piece of technology that I'd like to talk to you about today is Pear Deck. I'm going to try and rush through the rest of this to kind of show you through things because it is a little more in-depth. This is just a way to transform the Google Slides or PowerPoints that you're already using in your classroom. I'm only familiar with the Google Slides since that's primarily what I use at my school. And this just makes them interactive with your students so they're able to log on and give you feedback right away on the information you're sharing with them. So I'm going to show you one of those that I have set up already. They also have what's called a flashcard factory, and I don't know if I'll get time for that, but that looks to be really promising. I've heard about it for my ESL students, for them to actually create and solidify their vocabulary knowledge. So again, this would be focused for my students, and they will be demonstrating with the example I have today an understanding of the Adams presidency by constructing responses for the prompts throughout Pear Deck. Have 2 standards. Again, a student standard using technology to seek feedback that informs and improves their practice and demonstrate their learning through a variety of ways, which you'll see. And then for the educational leader, you are using technology to support learning for diverse needs for the individual students. And rather than go through this step-by-step guide, I'm just going to click over and show you. So I have to click over here to my 470 account, and you can see I already have my Adams presidency slideshow right here. And it's just a typical slideshow that I've had here. And I already have Pear Deck embedded. You can download this at Pear Deck. For apps, they have it for Google Slides, and I think they've also released a version for PowerPoint. So you just click Start Lesson. And then the students, you ask for student paced or instructor paced, so depending on what you want to do. I usually do instructor paced if I'm trying to keep all 26 of my kids on the same track. And they will go in, they'll have to present a code and do it. If your kids can't handle putting in this code, and it always has a funny little saying to get your kids to join, you can give them the link that way. So it says no students are connected. I'm just going to X out of that so I can show you this first one, no responses needed. Going over to the next, more information about the presidency. Then it says, how well do you understand what you just covered? And so on the student screen, they're going to have a place where they can type in. And as the instructor, you can see all of that feedback right away on your screen. You can either hide it, or you can say, okay, I'm giving you a countdown of 10 seconds, and then you can view them as you go. The next thing in the Adams presidency, the XYZ affair, and it talks about the different people involved in that. Then it says this time you're drawing a response to John Adams reacting to this XYZ affair. So a different kind of response for the students on that. And you go through, and it really just makes it interactive. So that is a piece of technology that I would like to start incorporating and using in my classroom.